Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aquarius air sign, and this reading is from August 1st to August 10th. So let's see what's the messages for you, Aquarius. The Tower, Four of Swords, the Lovers. I think there is some tower movement is going to be happen. It is already happened between both of you. And Four of Swords. I think you are in this state. You are not in action mode. You are in right now resting mode. You both love each other. There is no doubt. Gemini, your person could be Gemini. But due to the tower movement, you are not taking any action. Simply you are in resting mode. I am getting. So let's see what's the messages for you, Aquarius. Yes, Three of Pentacles. I think this time you want to work on yourself because there is no equal give and take in this connection for some. The Star. Still you are hoping for this connection, Aquarius. Death. Yes, you are undergoing some transformation. Four of Swords and Death. Your person could be Scorpio. Yes, some changes are coming in the month of August for you, Aquarius. Healing, some healing. Yes. Changes, Wheel of Fortune. Yes, definitely some changes are going to be happen. These are good changes because Wheel of Fortune is a good fortune, good changes. And Page of Wands. You are going to receive some communication from your person because Page of Wands is here. And Fool. Yeah, I think you want to take leap of faith. For some, you want to work on yourself and you want to achieve your goals. For some, your person want to come towards you and want new beginning. So two groups here. Wow, Ace of Pentacles, Two of Wands. You are thinking about your person a lot, Empress. But at the end you stand by your power, the Empress. I think it is coming, long-term commitment. It is coming or not, it doesn't matter to you because you now stand by your power. Because waiting game, you are waited too long because Two of Wands. I think your person is also thinking about you not taking a positive action towards you. So let's see your person energy, what they are thinking and what they want to do. Conditioning. See, Devil. Definitely your person could be Capricorn. I think your person could be obsessed with you or your person could be addicted to some bad habits. Whatever are you, your person may be dominating in this connection, not taking. That's why you are feeling sad, beyond illusion, Judgment. Flowering Queen of Pentacles. Compromise. Yes, your person have to compromise to be in this relationship. And last card for your person energy. Okay, two cards followed. Let's see. Politics and the Sun. See, I think some mind games, some manipulation in past. I think the Devil and the politics, Seven of Swords. Some miscommunication. Seven of Swords means not always manipulation. Some miscommunication also, or saying lies. Innocence. I think your person is changing, evolving, like the Sun card. I think your person is changing. I think transformation card is also here. It's why energy could be vice versa. Your person also could be transforming. But I am not seeing any action cards right here. But your person want to compromise with you. Compromise. Six of Pentacles. They want to offer equal give and take to this connection. So Aquarius, is up to you. What's the situation of you and what to do, what not to do. It's up to you because you are in resting mode. But at end of the day, at end of the whatever, you will be stand by your power and you still hope for this connection because there is love between both of you and your person is also transforming. So let's see one more card for your person actions. Two times Devil. So it's up to you to decide what to do, what not to do, depending upon your situation. Your person could be Capricorn. Your person, I think this in this relationship, your person creating deception, I am getting. So to give second chance to this person is not, is up to you, but you stand by your power, Aquarius. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.